wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car detailing kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you have a black vehicle, you might want to consider Chemical Guy's Black, which is specifically designed to enhance and protect its paint job. The high gloss finisher and 3 microfiber towels help to prevent streaks and swirls after washing. It comes with 2 hand sponges and is great for car show preparation. However, it doesn't include a tire shiner. At number 9, Mother's California Gold System uses a clay bar to gently remove dirt, grime, tree sap, and other undesirable particles that are tough to get rid of with a normal scrub. When combined with the Instant Detailer spray, the result is a smooth reflective finish. It's great for touch-ups before waxing and safe for clear coats, but it is a time-consuming process. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Each solution in the Turtle Wax 50821 is a single-step formula, so you can get the job done without spending half your day polishing and shining. With just 4 products, your entire vehicle will be clean and sparkling. The wax can be applied on wet surfaces, and it includes 2 microfiber towels. However, the cleaner doesn't foam. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car detailing kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Armor All Complete Care bundles together a wash and wax, a tire foam, a protectant, and 25 convenient glass wipes to help keep your windows crystal clear. It may not come with as many products as some other options, but it's a decent package. This makes for a good starter set and is quite affordable, but you don't get any sponges or towels. Moving up our list to number 6. With its dual-action polisher, Chemical Guy's BUF 209X can do everything from shining your paint to removing stains from carpets and upholstery. It quickly spreads wax into a thin layer and has a heat management function to prevent buffer burn. It offers adjustable speed settings and includes a pad cleaner and conditioner. However, it is relatively expensive. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you live in an area with strict water restrictions, try the Aero Cosmetics Waterless. Once you spray it on, the solution lifts dirt from the surface and suspends it, so you can wipe it away easily with a cloth. This one's used by NASA and the Air Force and works on wheels and windows too, but note that it is for vehicle exteriors only. At number 4, with 6 full-size products, Trinova 33906 gives you everything you need to clean and shine your entire vehicle from top to bottom. The concentrated cleaning solution removes dirt all over, while the tire spray and trim restorer focus on the details. It includes a quick detailer for touch-ups and protects against damage from UV rays. You get a good variety of applicators too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Griot's Garage Starter includes a pH-balanced wash that's safe for all paint types, and the wheel formula is approved by BBS, the company that manufactures rims for Ferrari, Porsche, and Lotus. It features a shiner that can be applied quickly, clay that removes dirt before waxing, and high-quality spray bottles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car detailing kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're looking for an all-in-one package, consider the Chemical Guy's Wash Bucket. In addition to cleaners for the body, wheels, and windows, it also includes a gloss-enhancing spray and a creamy butter wax that protects against UV rays. It boasts a foam blaster that creates lots of suds, a dirt trap insert that keeps the water clean, and a brush with an ergonomic hand. And taking the top spot on our list, a good value for the price. Meguiar's Complete includes 12 items from the company's premium line that'll help you polish your automobile's interior and exterior. It includes a high-gloss tire gel, a headlight cleaner, and a fine scratch and blemish remover. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car detailing kits, or simply click beneath this video.